Let me first introduce myself. I am Rashid Kappan, a journalist based in Bangalore for over 25 years. Yes, I have covered education, but that does not necessarily make me literate enough to give you a lecture on literacy. Because I believe education is not literacy, and particularly so when we are in the midst of a pandemic called COVID 19. Okay, first things first. Literacy is not just about children, it's about the entire population, the adults and elderly citizens included. But before an adult becomes an adult, he or she was a child. Now that brings us to the big question. Are our children given the right foundational skills to learn? Now, if we go by the ASER data, the answer is a big no. Only about 70% of the 8th standard students can read. Not their level text, but a second standard level text. Now, if that is surprising, consider this. Only 44% of these very 8th standard students can solve a basic arithmetic problem. During COVID times, students and teachers are asked to switch to online classes en masse, like everybody, as if digital technology, smartphones, laptops, high speed internet can happen in a jiffy by magic. Now, lakhs of students and teachers across the country cannot afford these digital devices. Now, for a moment, look back at a time when there was no COVID. There was nothing called a pandemic. Was it better then? No. For a long time, literacy meant the ability to read and write your name and count from 1 to 10. In terms of statistics, this is a nice trick to get the big numbers. But in reality, are our citizens really literate? For instance, despite the big number of schemes available for the poor, hardly a few can read what is there in the scheme. So they rely on these so called literate middlemen. So, what does literacy mean, really? I feel real literacy can be celebrated when citizens get fully aware of their rights, clearly understand and demand when those rights are denied to them. Literacy should not remain a fancy word but should make everyone's lives better. Only then will education be equal to literacy. Thank you for listening. Good day.